In this video, I'll show you how you can enable or add auto withdrawal on Garna online payment platform. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and add your payment details, and you can simply do this by clicking on or tapping on withdraw here. This will allow you to choose your preferred payment method. Go ahead and set it up. You can choose bank transfer, or if you wish to transfer money using PayPal or PayOwner, you can choose electronic wallet here, and you'll have the two options. Choose the one you wish, set up, enter your email, and now you'll be good to go. Then to set an auto withdrawal such that whenever money enters your Garna account, it will be automatically withdrawn or automatically sent to your preferred account or your preferred withdrawal option. Go ahead and choose this option, auto withdraw. If you don't see it, go ahead and make sure you have just clicked on balance here. Then click on enable, and here you're told to receive money directly to your account details in full or in part. So some of the benefits are automatic payments, income distribution, as well as notification on changes. Go ahead and tap on add auto withdraw, and under each here you're told the payment will be sent to the details you want immediately after it is received, and also the income can be divided into parts. They will be sent to different details, and also you'll get instant notification about changes in fee or successful transfer. Go ahead and click on add auto withdraw, enter your details, or if you already have a select template, go ahead and just choose it. I have already one here. I'll just click it, and then share of income percentage. So here, go ahead and enter the figure that you wish to be sent, and then choose share of income. So if you wish to receive 50% and then have the rest remain in your wallet, it will be so. For my case, I wish to receive 100%, so I'll choose 100. So under share of income, you're told specify the percentage of income and select the details of transfer. The money will be sent to them automatically as soon as it is received. I wish this account to receive 100%, so the share of income is 100%, and then click on continue. Now you are told you will receive 100% of income from each recipient directly to the selected details, and here is the selected details. The fee is 0. For my case, I chose bank account. I'll go ahead and enable auto withdraw by clicking on enable auto withdraw. Then you'll have to confirm using the code that will be sent to your phone number. So I'll enter the 6-digit code like that, and now auto withdrawal has been enabled. I'll click on got it, and that is it. So each and every time I receive a payment in my Garna account, the amount will automatically be transferred to my bank account that I set on this platform. So that's how you can set automatic withdrawal from your Garna account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.